try and get them to come closer.
Yo,
What's up,
what's up,
guys?
hey
guys? Katie, what the hell are you doing in my video?
Your video? Good.
So guys, I'm going to do something really cool. I'm going to have our apps from several categories.
But that's my idea.
Calm down, guys. Calm down. Come on.
Buzz attack!
Yo, I have an idea. Since we all have the same idea, how about we do it together? Cool?
Alright.
That sounds fine.
Okay.
Yo, Buzzatech, show us your face, man.
Nah. I don't do that crap. So,
Okay.
let's begin. Shall we?
Hey, what's up guys? This is Katie Cloudy and the award for the best social app goes to Wire, an all-in-one messaging app which runs across all of your devices. So the most striking things which make it the best social app are the features and the design. The features, just as I said, make it an all-in-one messaging app. Well, of course, you can expect things like sending pictures, recording video and audio, but the two main things which stand out the most are sending handwritten messages, like something like a short drawing or a doodle, and second is a ping option just to catch the other person's attention. And also as a bonus you get audio and video calling, which a lot of messaging apps don't offer. And other than that, there is a handy dark mode feature and also the ability to change your profile's accent color. Coming to the design or the user interface of the app, it's simple, clean, minimal, and overall really different than a traditional messaging app. The navigation is really simple as well. And another thing about is that it's available not only on Android but on iOS as well. So if you want to chat from a PC, there is a dedicated web app and also an app in the Mac App Store. Alright guys, that wraps it up from my side. This has been Katie Cloudy, and now I hand over the frame to Suraj to present the award for the best app for productivity.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Suraj from Tech Devoted, and the award for the best cross-platform productivity app goes to LastPass. LastPass is basically a vault that stores all your passwords safe and secure. You can store any number of passwords in your LastPass account. I currently only have a few passwords saved, and I do have LastPass installed on every single device that I personally use, be it iOS or Android. Oh, and there is also a LastPass Chrome extension, so you can also use it on your PC. You can do a bunch of things on LastPass. Until a few months ago, I used the same password on all my accounts. Don't ever do that. But with LastPass, I don't need to worry about that anymore because it automatically generates really strong passwords for me for every single one of my new accounts. My current YouTube and Twitter passwords were also randomly generated by LastPass. The passwords are really strong and make absolutely no sense, making it really hard to hack. And to be honest, I myself don't know these passwords by heart. So how do I log on to my YouTube or Twitter account on a new device? Well, that's simple. LastPass does it for me. Every time I get a new phone, the first thing I do is install LastPass. So once that's done, I'm set, and every time I open an app, LastPass automatically shows up on the screen and says, hey, I can log in for you, and I just do one click and boom, I am in. So how safe is this app? Well, pretty damn safe. A lot of people use it, and you can also log the LastPass app on your phone with the fingerprint. That said, I still do think you should note down all your passwords in an actual notebook, because at the end of the day, LastPass is just yet another computer program, and you never know what could go wrong in the computer world. That's been my part of the collaboration. Thanks so much for watching, and let's move on to the next app category.
Hey guys, it's Sid here, and the award for the best weather app goes to Gizmodo. And the reason for this is pretty simple. Opening the app, you will have this screen where you have all the information about the current weather. Opening the bottom panel will give you more information about the current weather and the forecast too. You also have all the information you want in a single page. What's even more convenient is switching locations. With the swipe, you can switch different locations quickly, which are added to your favorites. And also the background changes according to the weather, which also gives it a really good and satisfying experience. And not to mention, you also have different customizable widgets to add to your home screen. Overall, it has a really convenient and satisfying UI, and it does what it has to. That's it for my part. Let's move on to the next one.
Hello everybody, this is your friendly neighborhood Sam the Techno Mini, and I'm going to pick something from the category of photography, or rather I should say videography. Pocket Video is undoubtedly one of the finest video editors for smartphones I have used so far. The interface is pretty damn clean, you just have to create a new project, add video files to your timeline, and what makes the app cooler is the fact that you can not only import media from your gallery, but also extract specific portions from YouTube videos of your choice. Although you can create titles with some fancy animations, I would like it simpler and more elegant. Since any video is incomplete without good music, Pocket Video lets you pick a track from your audio library, YouTube's audio library, or you also get to choose from their collection of stock music. So editing is as simple and as effective, if not more, as it would be on iMovie. Trimming down the clips, tweaking their speed, splitting them, blah blah blah, everything's just at your fingertips. Make your vlogs more engaging with text, dozens of awesome filters, GIFs and animated doodles. Because who doesn't like doodles? And what did I forget? Obviously, Pocket Video lets you render your videos in full HD and also upload them on YouTube or add them to your Snapchat story, which is an added bonus. Perfect for revamping your vlogging game. So honestly, Pocket Video available for both Android and iOS is definitely worth giving a shot.
We all know how important it is to stay healthy. What if I told you that you don't need to spend loads of cash on a gym membership or expensive fitness gear? All you needed is this, a smartphone. Considering that almost everyone has a smartphone nowadays, it's free to get fit. But anyways, without any further ado, let's jump back onto the video. The app that I thought was underrated while being on par with the competitors is Adidas Train and Run. For starters, it has an amazing user interface which looks pretty slick in my opinion. You can choose the kind of voice assistant you want during the setup process. Once set up, sliding on to the right will show up different panels. The main one which you'll use about 70% of the time would be the Go panel, which tracks the miles you run and gives you statistical information once done. There are some things in this app that make it different, like the training plan or the shoes panel where you can add your shoe and track the distance covered by the shoe you use currently. Blog is another such place where you can read blogs about fitness that are updated on a regular basis. That's all the good stuff there is to it. Here's where the app slackened quite a bit. When you click on the Ready for Workout button, the GPS takes a long time to connect, but when it's connected, it's all fine. Also, it takes quite some time to sync up data every single time. This app makes you turn back to it and get that 20 minutes fresh morning jog that you always miss. A huge shout out to the guys who made this video possible. Thanks guys. Now moving on to BuzzerTech for presenting the award for the keyboard category.
So, keyboard is the basic requirement of any phone that you use. And if you haven't used any third-party keyboard app or are just using the basic stock keyboard that came in with your Android or iOS device, dude, you're missing out a lot. And so, it's my honor to present the Best Keyboard App Award to Hub Keyboard. This keyboard app is made by Microsoft and is available on both Android as well as on iOS. This app comes with some handy features such as a compact keypad, translator, and the best part about this keyboard is it automatically saves your recent clips in the app itself. Isn't that cool? So you don't need to install any third-party clipboard app to save your recent clips if this keyboard is installed on your device. The keyboard comes in with two inbuilt themes, a default light colored theme and a dark colored theme. Well, this is a Microsoft keyboard, so it is of course going to promote its product in the app, but it isn't that much of a hassle. But to be honest, this keyboard could get even better if the developer adds support for custom themes or else just adds more themes. Yeah. And also an emoji add-on would make this delicious.
And that wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, Be sure to check out all the channels of all the YouTubers who helped in making this collaboration possible. And App Awards is going to be a series with new categories, new episodes, and new YouTubers every season. Right, guys? Hello? Suraj? Soham? Sid? Nobody? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.